Good morning, all my dear friends. Today I am here to give a lecture on the topic of climate change. What is climate change? Climate change is a long-term change in Earth's temperature and weather pattern over the many years. For example, the melting of the glaciers in the last 50 years and rising of the sea level by 20 centimeters in the last 100 years, as per the report of IPCC. In 2025 survey, the flood-affected areas are Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Assam, Kerala, and India's average temperature is increased by 0.62 degrees Celsius in the last 50 years. Moreover, the heat waves and floods are occurring worldwide in India due to climate change. If you're talking about what are the causes, first is burning of the fossil fuel. Example, koila, petrol and diesel that emits or creates more carbon dioxide in the environment. Second is vehicle emission. We know that India is the largest automobile hub market in the world. Third is urbanization. We know with the rapid population growth, we require more energy and space to live. So we generate more heats and construction. And the last is deforestation. Cutting in trees in the Aravalli areas and cutting trees in the Hyderabad for the urban project, which reduce the carbon absorption trees. And if we talk about further effects, first is heat waves are frequently increasing day by day, which causes the thousands of deaths in the Europe's country and especially in the France and Spain. Second is in the survey of air pollution in Delhi, which show the AQI is more than 400, that cause the serious health issue. And third is the water shortage in the Maharashtra and Gujarat that causing the water scarcity. What are the solutions for this? First is clean energy. We are moving from the non-renewable resources to the renewable resources like solar energy, wind energy and natural gases. Second is afforestation. India take initiative to plant the more trees in the earth and in India. And we launch Green India missions and Green Tree NGOs are also helped in this mission. And we are using plastic trash in the road building and other things. And in Delhi, the CM Rekha Gupta take initiative and invest around 9,500 crore rupees to the public electric transport so that we can reduce the carbon emission. Last, my conclusion is in the climate change is pressing the security threat that for the nature and humanities, the last one, Amazon forest and etc. We should take strong initiative for protecting the environmentals, trees and other things, and we use the resources at a sustainable level. Thank you. Jai Hind.